In this video, I'll show how to access an article inside of RHC Issues Researcher and the tools available for articles. So starting on the home page of the database, I'm looking at trending topics. I can go to the A to Z list to pick an issue as well, but I'm just going to pick one of the topics available here. And I'm going to go ahead and click on one of these articles that is listed under a pro viewpoint for the essential question of AI. So I'm just going to click on this link for this article, assuming that this is an article that I'm interested in and want to use for my research. So now I'm looking at the article. I have the title at the top, what type of article this is. So this is a newspaper article. The author, the publication, so this is a CNN wire service, when it was published, and the reading level or the Rhcl score. And I have a summary, a brief summary of the article. Not all articles will have summaries, but this one has one. And then as I scroll down, I can actually read the article itself in the body of the database. And then at the end of the article are some related subjects that I can click on. And if I click on one of these, let's say high technology, for example, I'll just click on that to show you. It will take me to a list of results for this topic of high technology. Okay, I'm going to go back to my article. Now, for this article, I have some tools in the top right corner. And then below the tools, I have an ability to view related documents. So I have a magazine. I have a couple of magazine articles here that are all related to this issue. And I can click on this link to see even more related articles. So if I like this article and I want more articles like it, clicking on that will give me a list of articles to choose from. Now, to save this document, save this article, I have a few options. I can click Save to Cloud, and what that will do is prompt me to select either Google Drive or OneDrive, and if I do select that, I need to log into my account and sync to my account to save the article to my drive. That's one option. I can also print this article by clicking Print. And of course, it will prompt you to select a printer based on where you are, but you can also select to save as a PDF. A lot of times this is an option provided by the printer settings. You can save as a PDF. So you can either print it or save as a PDF through the printing feature. And then the other option is to email it to yourself. When you click email, you can type in any email address you want, and you will get the article emailed to yourself. Lastly, you have here the citation tool. So if you click on Cite, the citation generator will appear, and it tells you here the citation style for which you're getting the citation. This is MLA 9. If you need something different, you have an option between APA 7 or Turabian 8. Turabian is also known as Chicago style. And whatever you pick, it will generate right below. From here, you would essentially highlight, copy, and paste. Here's the copy button. Just keep in mind that these citation generators are only about 90% accurate. You oftentimes have to double check the work and make sure the citation has been done correctly. And then when you copy it, you still need to do the work of formatting and making sure that it looks right on your document and you're still following the rules of the citation style when you paste. But this does about 90% of the work for you, and then you close there. And that is essentially how you access an article from RHC Issues Researcher database.